Thank you so much, Dr. Bhasin, for joining us for this event. It's great having you here. So, we had an amazing event out there. Just want to know any key takeaway message you are taking from this gathering.
Firstly, thank you so much for inviting. It was a pleasure to be here. It was a wonderful evening. And my take home, the key message I get is that yes, there can be events where companies can focus on bringing clinicians and pathologists together and discuss our issues and bridge them together. So that was the wonderful uniqueness. Otherwise, we go to specialty conferences only, IFS, APP, where we are just talking about ourselves. But cross-disciplinary approach was a new breath of fresh air.
Thank you so much for highlighting that point, sir. So, also, we witnessed an amazing, brilliant product launch out there, Umizin M300. So, how do you think this product will make an impact to our clinicians, especially in the remote areas?
So Unison 300 has come now, and it's one of a unique systems as a mono cartridge based system with a higher throughput, smaller size. But I think our country and many labs were waiting for it for since years, because this is going to help reduce the. It will take the testing closer to the patient, especially in remote and low resource areas, and it will also empower smaller labs in bigger cities to do those tests themselves, because a mono cartridge system enables it reduces the calibration cost, open while stability and wastage is pilferage is reduced to a very low level. Hence it would bring the testing closer to the patient, faster, and make patients safer because of reducing the impact of sample stability and transport, which is not done well in our country, no matter what we may think or may say. But when somebody who's living in a remote village of a town of Gorakhpur, his sample is coming to Delhi for testing for their fertility or their hormones, uh, I nobody can assure that it's a very good result they have. But this solves that problem.
That's a great analysis, sir, and thank you so much for sharing your views with us. And thank you so much for coming to this event.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you.
sir.